Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you a new knife that I bought from Kubey. So maybe you remember my video about this knife, the Geo okay yeah Geo they use some kind of numbering, but when I found out that Kubey does make a micarta handle knife, then definitely I had to get it. This will be probably, we could say this is the first, but if we are counting also the Geo, which is the budget, more budget friendly, so lower priced tier from Kubey, then this is the second one. But let's say it's first one from this company. So you have a few informations about, if you would like to check them out. I will link you down below the reseller I bought it from, which is really nice to see. Not a lot of companies are doing this. They will not put lots of oil on the knife, like one of my favorite Chinese knife manufacturers, Tucson. But they will heat seal the bag so that no oxygen can enter and also silica gel to remove any kind of moisture that could develop, so that you don't have to use lots of oil and spend lots of time cleaning the knife before you can show it on on your video or show it in your pan. But yeah, this is a good option for how to preserve your knife and also keep it fresh. And yeah, I went on a tangent right there, sorry about that. So this is the Kubey KU179C, also known as Eris. Beautiful name. So let's open it up. Let's use the Gale knife. Okay. So this will be an unboxing, first impressions, everything. I have marked down the specs from the site, just to give you all the informations. And right from the start, I might say this is a nice version of the Chinese micarta. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this Kaiser pinch here has the Chinese micarta here. So this brownish, dark brownish type of canvas micarta, and this is really nice and smooth. I don't know if it is maybe semi-polished. Yes, semi-polished, but let's open it up. Ooh. Okay, so I was expecting smooth opening just because Kubey knives are nice, but yeah, this is nice and smooth without any kind of lubrication. And but probably I will drop down one drop of some kind of your favorite lubrication fluid to make it even smoother. Okay, so yeah, first impressions are really nice. Fits in the hand nicely. It's not so wide, but let me give you quick specs about the knife. So we have a hollow length of 20 centimeters, 20.5 centimeters, or 8.1 inch. The blade length is 8.7 centimeters or 3.4 inches. The blade thickness is 3.5 millimeters or 0.15 inches. The blade width is 2.4 centimeters or 0.9 inches. The handle length is 11.5 centimeters or 4.6 inches. The handle thickness is 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inch. The blade is made out of AUS 10 with a 59 to 61 HRC, flat grind with a drop point blade, and of course micarta handle scales. We have sandblasted finish, which I have to say that is not my preferred blade finish. This knife screams to have a really nice deep stone wash applied just to be a even more excellent EDC companion. Because let's face it, if you use any kind of bead blasting on blade, AUS 10 is stainless, but yeah, it will rust on you. So definitely I will put some EDCI or EDC or any kind of anti-corrosion formula on this one, just to be safe. Maybe you don't live in a humid environment, but definitely in your pants there will be humid through the day. Maybe if it is warmer in the office or in the house, keep that in mind, please. Okay, yeah, sandblasted, and we have 6AL4V titanium pocket clip, which I'm really surprised to see at this price point. The MSRP is around $60, but definitely you could get around 45 to 50% off if you wait and if you see a sale on these. Okay, let me show you the logo. Here's the Kubey logo up there. We have no blade designation or markings nowhere. It has a nested liner construction. You see, liner logo, of course, which is all good to have. Really sturdy construction, so there's no flex, no bend, no play. Yeah, the blade is nice and secured. Perfect. I'm really impressed with the quality. So this one will definitely go in the category of knives under $50. Yes, the MSRP is higher, but usually they are sold with a nice discount. If you want one, then you can also check out the reseller I bought it from. It will be linked down below. Yeah, definitely a nice touch. They probably could use a reverse attaching of the pocket clip, but then if you are on the fly and you don't want to have a pocket clip, maybe you are using on belt pouch, definitely you can pop it right off and have it without it. So definitely nice touch. Okay, so one more specification is of course the weight. We have 84.1 gram or 2.96 ounces, so under 3 ounces right there. Really nice. Okay, let me show you the pocket profile and also how the clip works or doesn't work. So let me put it on the lip. Definitely you have to push a little bit harder. It depends what kind of denim, maybe pants you are using. If you have a sturdy pocket, then definitely there will be no problems. If you are soft, almost shirt-like material, then you definitely have to push harder. So that's a little bit of disappointing, but I have to be completely honest here with you guys. So yeah, it will go out without any problems, but definitely you have to apply a little bit more force. But then on the other hand, in this way it is nicely protected and will not fall off. Yeah. Okay. So definitely another iteration of the Chinese micarta. It's really, obviously I have gloves, so I cannot feel the warmness of the micarta. That is why the micarta is one of the best handle scale materials you can get your knife with. It will have good feel even if it is wet. It will age with you. So you can definitely will develop a nice did I say not profile, but a nice overall look to it through the years. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you a few size comparisons. So let's bring out the micarta guys. By now I call them micarta guys. So this is the QSP Pelican. If you want something even higher quality wise, S35VN, the Flex micarta, then yeah, almost triple the price, but it is what it is. You can get for it. If you want something cheaper, then definitely check out Tuya Knives. They have a different knives with micarta, the Cebu, this one, the Bruiser, and also one more. I forgot the name. Sorry. Okay, and this is the Ace Ground from Giant Mouse. Definitely more premium, at around $200, but also excellent design. Okay, so here's my Chinese large Griptilian. I mentioned before the Kaiser Pinch, almost the same type of micarta. Okay, and here is the Buck Vintage Pro in black paper micarta. I hope it's paper back micarta, but don't quote me on that. And here is the Buck's Sprint Pro with burlap micarta. So definitely a nice spread of micarta knives you can choose from. These are still available. Really great options. If you want something made in US, then Buck is a really good option. Yes, it will not maybe flip that great like this one, but definitely if you want a great flipper, then this is even smoother than a Shirogoro. So yeah, yes it is. Okay, so now more well-known knives continue with the Spyderco Endura, Spyderco Delica, Kershaw Skyline right here, K-Bar Dozier, and I have here also on the table my V-Knives Chimera, just for fun. Okay, so price-wise, quality-wise, material-wise, I would say this is definitely a good option if you want to maybe grow your micarta collection. Definitely, I love to see, and I will always support companies who are investing in machinery and also cost to produce knives with micarta. In my opinion, this is one of the best materials you can get, and definitely will show a really nice nice texture color through the years. So it's definitely the knife will be linked to you and will be specific to you. No other same knife will age the same with micarta, of course. Maybe if you have the high polished ones that they do not stain, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so these are the Kubey Eris, or model number KU176. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you are a subscriber, big thumbs up to you. Thank you very much for your support. And if you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented, but also sometimes things like watches and miniature paintings and so on. All general hobby stuff. This channel is all about my passion, my collecting and hobby interest. So I will give you an honest opinion as far as I can go. So what my finances or resources allow me. But yeah, it is what it is. So please stay tuned and see you soon.